This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about placemats, specifically these Sovereign Vinyl Woven Placemats. They're all 16 inches by 12, giving you a nice, generous rectangle for your place settings. We have them in 3 colors, the blue, light brown, and gray. And they're all made from premium vinyl, so they're durable and stain resistant and can be reused if desired. They're actually designed to be disposable or to last through several uses if you'd like. And you can wipe them down or hand wash them in between uses if they get a little stained or dirty. These are going to help protect your tabletops and tablecloths from spills, stains, while also helping to dampen sound in your dining room, making your dining experience more pleasant for your guests. The beautiful color options give you choices between more vibrant shades like the blue or more subtle accents like that light brown and the gray. And they all have this nice kind of natural pattern to them that's a little bit modeled. So you have different shades of blue, brown, and gray working through each one. I especially love that vibrant bright blue and this gray. It's just a nice, almost heather-like feel to it. The light brown has this wonderful kind of natural neutral shade, so it's a nice little backdrop if you've got some more vibrant things going on in your place settings or in your centerpieces. So these are great to use in restaurants, but also can be great at things like catered functions and events, or just at home if you're looking for a nice reusable option for your tabletop.